I'm working on the side components for the this portable writing desk of about 1810. The sides are connected to a back with some dovetails that I've done, and the turrets fit inside a cutout on the sides, and then the channel or groove for the tambour must be continuous from connected down here on the drawer, and as you close the drawer, that tambour pushes up into here. Those little tambour slats will run in this groove and come around like this. And there are about 50 of those slats that are going to go in here. I haven't glued the turrets to the side yet, and there is a glue block that will go fit into here. Here's the template for the side, and there's a glue block that's kind of this shape that connects up here with 2 screws and 2 screws down here and holds that turret in place. The turret is overlapped so that it's about 1/8 of an inch proud of the surface of the side. So I created this straight groove here with a Dremel tool, and let me just show you that arrangement. Here's the 1/8 inch bit, then a little fence, and so as long as that was straight, I could cut the that part of this groove with the Dremel. I also cut these mortises here with the Dremel. I squared them off with the 1/8 inch chisel, but that worked out well with the Dremel. But this part of the groove has to be done with, well, I'm doing it with hand tools, and so I've just taped the turret to this side, and you can see that I've done the Dremel part, but I have not done this curve and that straight piece up here. And I'm trying to make sure I've got a good boundary, knife cut boundary. I also used a small compass to cut the fiber on this arc here, so that helps. But the way I'm creating this groove is just with a 1/8 inch chisel and just chipping away. And then I sometimes just use this 1/16 inch chisel to remove some of that material. As I get down, this has to be 1/8 inch deep, As I get down a little bit, then I come back and sometimes push down on the boundaries with a chisel, or other times I've been using an X-Acto knife to cut the fibers on that border as I go deeper with the cuts. It's pretty tedious up here where there's the transition. And this very short grain here is easy to break off. I suppose I could have just glued that turret before doing this groove. But I've so far held off, delayed gluing that turret, and I was able to get a good transition here between the turret and the side. So I'll get this cleaned out. There has to be a way of getting the tambour into the connected carcass. So there has to be a groove, an exit groove here, through which the tambour is pushed in when all the pieces are connected.